Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Blood Samurai. My name is Sam, and today we're going to be playing a game called Foundry. So this game, it reminds me a lot of, uh, I literally just had it in my head, and I can't think of what the game is called. Satisfactory, that's what it's called. It reminds me a lot of Satisfactory, and I just thought it looked cool, and I wanted to give it a try. So that's what we're going to do. I guess just start game, sure. But yeah, this isn't like a roguelike or anything like that, but this is a base building like automation type game. Um I love playing. I've played Satisfactory before. I absolutely loved it. I don't think I ever made any videos on it because this was when I played it, this was like before I ever actually like started making videos or anything like that. Um but I love playing that. So when I saw this game and I was like, "Oh, hey, this actually looks kind of similar." I was like, you know what? I figured might as well give it a try. So yeah, we'll see how this goes.
Welcome, operator. I'm Carl, your facility management artificial intelligence. Congratulations on acquiring a building permit and a derelict space station on this resource-rich moon, an ideal spot for
Really
industrial
laggy.
business endeavors. My goal is to assist you in setting up this factory. Let's run a few basic checks before we get started. Open your map to check your surroundings.
What's the button for the map? M, I assume. Okay.
Fantastic. There are several ore patches in the vicinity. Equip your ore scanner from the inventory and use it to locate the ore patches.
F F1. Is that what? Nope. Does this tell me like keybinds and stuff? What in the? Demolition mode. V. That's a drill. Um. What? Equip ore scanner. What is my ore? What key? What? What's the keybind for ore scanner? Oh, there we go. It's in the inventory. Okay.
To get started, approach both of the ore patches and mine some ore.
Oh, there's one right here. Oh, cool. This seems like it could be pretty interesting. Like I said, it does remind me a lot of reminds me of Satisfactory. Okay. Is there a way to move faster? Okay, it's shift. Okay, yeah, we're changing that immediately. I can change my keybinds, right? Is there no keybinds? I think I probably skipped over it. Oh, probably. Yeah, right there. Okay. I know a lot of people use shift, but personally, I think control is just better. For me, it's just easier, and I've kind of grown used to using control as my sprint key in
Great.
games that have
Now that we
sprint.
have an initial supply of ore, we need to smelt it into plates and rods. Go back to your drop pod and use the built-in
Can
smelters
I?
to create your first crafting materials.
That's pretty funny. Hello, sir. Oh. Smelt. Crafting. Oh, I can. Oh. Shh. You know what? Yeah, give me a top hat. I want a top hat. Let's go with a red. Red color. Okay. Drop pod smelter. Oh, okay. Insert. Insert. Oh, it just keeps going. Okay. Uh. Okay, yeah, that's kind of. Oh, you can. Oh, okay. So I just have to wait for this to get up to 10. Okay, got it. Got it. Hey, tree. The sound effects. It sounds like this thing's gonna drop on my head. What are you? This giant. Oh yeah. Oh, it's Minecraft. What was the key? Oh, C. That's right. Yeah, let's just look back.
Now that we have basic materials available, we should start crafting building blocks which act as a foundation for other buildings. To do so, you need to open the crafting menu and click the desired items. Then, place them in the shape of a platform next to one of the ore patches.
Okay.
The orange ore will be in higher demand. I suggest starting with that.
Why the orange ore will be in higher demand? Building block. So the crates? I'm confused. I'm gonna just do the building blocks because I feel like that makes the most sense. This literally is like Minecraft or something. I really like how this has like a grid shape to it though. This makes it so much easier than Satisfactory. Like, the Satisfactory obviously. Oh wait, you can turn off. Oh, you can do free. Oh. Like, Satisfactory had a like you definitely had more freedom in Satisfactory, but it just was way more annoying. Like the freedom actually made it like more annoying in my opinion. Oh, this is supposed to be for an ore deposit. Well, it's fine. Can I mine up this? Oh, okay, just okay. That's always nice. It doesn't actually like destroy it. It just mines up the ores. That makes more sense. Okay. But anyways, let's put this around here. I'm also now realizing that you can drag. Should have realized that sooner. I'm basically playing like Minecraft if it was like more focused around like robots.
To automate ore extraction, we need to set up a drone miner. Craft one and place it on top of your foundation right next to the ore patch.
Give me 1 second. I'm just busy building. There we go. I think that looks pretty nice. Hey, little fella. I'm gonna pick you up. Craft a drone miner. Uh, ore scanner, drone miner. Some plates. Okay. Let's grab some more stuff. Let's insert. Okay. Um, and so that's gonna craft. Maybe I should put these creatures down. Maybe put you guys back down. You guys don't deserve to. You guys shouldn't have to. Oh, so it mines it within a range. Can I? Okay, yeah, rotate. So like I could put this like here.
Drone miners and most other buildings require power to function. Let's build a biomass generator on the same foundation as the drone miner. Once built, you need to harvest some plants and trees with your mining drill to collect biomass.
Yeah, see, I already
Insert
did
the
that.
biomass into the generator and it will start to power all buildings on the same foundation as the generator.
Uh, there we
Go
go.
watch your mining drones acquire your first automated ore. Aren't they beautiful? Anyways, we need to get
That's
going.
cool that it
Let's
just has
build
to
a
be
smelter
like
next.
on the it just has to be on the foundation, the same foundation as the mining thing. Okay, so those guys are doing their thing. Um, Smelter, we need more stuff. More stuff. More stuff is needed. Grab that. Where's the thing? Oh yeah, right here. Insert, take out. Smelter. I wonder how the automation in this game is gonna be then. You know what, I'm getting rid of I don't I don't care about the other stuff yet. Oh, okay, that's not good. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I crafted the smelter, now I need to place it down. Now I just need to place it down somewhere around here. So like, I assume, can I just like place it like, do I just place it like right there?
The smelter is more efficient than the inbuilt drop pod smelter, so you should start using this from now on.
Uh,
Another benefit is that we can automate the smelters to make our life easier. For this, you need to connect the drone miner to a smelter by using loaders and conveyor belts. Let's start by crafting the required machines. 2 loaders, one for the smelter and one for the drone miner, as well as a few belts to connect them. While you're crafting those, let us recap the plan. We will set up a basic factory to provide us with the most crucial resources to get started. Then, we'll look at getting the space station up and running again, so that we can use it as a sales hub for our future products.
I'm gonna be honest, I really didn't listen to what that guy was saying, but like, it sounded important. What's a loader do? Okay. So can I do that? Does that work? output. Oh, it would help if I. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. That would really. That makes no sense the way that I have it. Okay. I. Okay. Yeah. Sure. I didn't want to see that way anyways. I didn't want to see what goes on. I'm confused. So this stuff would go here. Loader required. Okay. Let's just. Yeah. Let's just. Okay. Let's do that. So then this would output to there, right? So that should output. Output no materials. Okay. Yeah, my positioning of stuff is kind of poor. Extremely poor. So we're just gonna delete that. And then we're gonna. Okay, never mind. Gonna make more of those, but yeah, we don't exactly have the materials right now for that. Let me go grab some more stuff. I need this. Learn about the flashlight. Okay. Kind of scared because like, why do I need a flashlight? But it's whatever, I guess. Not gonna question it too much, I suppose. Let's. Okay. So let's do like a bit of this, I think, because we wanna have like a bit of room. So we'll have like that. I think that would be good. And then. Okay. So I'm realizing I need to move this back further. Personally, this feels kind of weird the way that this is set up, but I'm not gonna question it too much because it's just gonna take a little bit of getting used to, Yeah, see, there we go. Like I said, just takes a little bit of getting used to. That's all. So yeah, now that's fully automated, which is okay. That's great. That is wonderful. Oh yeah, I need to craft more conveyor belts. That's right. Conveyor slopes will be cool to have in the future. Okay.
You have the machines necessary to connect the drone miner to the smelter. Now, attach a loader to each machine and connect them with conveyor belts.
Yep. I already got that
Great!
under
We
control.
connected the machines and have automated the tedious process of moving items by hand. Isn't automation great? Now it's time to scale up and build more smelters. A single belt full of ore can feed multiple smelters using the power of loaders. The info
Mm.
database has a diagram if you need one. A loader only adds enough items at a time to a machine to ensure it doesn't stop. This makes it easy for you to have multiple machines fed by a single long belt.
Wish I could like. Okay. There we go. Kind of annoying. I wish you could just like replace it, like whatever in there, but it's fine. Oh wait, yeah, I gotta take those out. Okay. Out of the way, little buddy. Okay, now we can take those. Now we can make another smelter. Whoa, there's a building over there. Might want to go check that out. Okay, now I can throw those in there. Then I can work on another smeltery. Eventually we'll have... Oh, you... Wait. No, wait. How does... I don't quite understand how they expect me to... Or, I need to learn how the loaders work, is basically what I'm trying to say. Way too many words. So does, like, that just work? No. Okay, well, that's definitely not what I meant to do. Okay. So... So I can do that, and then that, and then that. But I can do that. I am so beyond confused. That goes like that, that goes like that. But that works. Okay. Right? That okay, that works. That's interesting. I also don't like the auto jump. Is there a way to turn that off? Toggle can be enabled the key binding. So auto climb is what it's called. Auto set that to that enables it. Great. Okay. Um, do L, I guess. Left control. Okay. Oh, L is the flash. Oh, gosh, dang it. What are these keybinds? And you can't set. Okay. O? Is O fine? Is O conflicting with anything? No? Okay. Okay, we're good now. We're fine. Everything is fine. Everything's perfectly under control. Nothing to see here, folks. Okay. So now on this side, you'd have, like, obviously a way of extracting. But we'll worry about that later. Right now, we need to make some more building blocks. There we go. And we need to put down more smoke.
We have completed our initial mission of setting up a smelting facility. We've done a great job, haven't we? According to our business plan, new machine blueprints will be created from research. My archive contains plans for a research server. Through material analysis, I should be able to provide a beacon blueprint, which we are going to need to notify the station of our planetary location. Let's get going and build a research server.
Yeah, that's great, man. That's great. Definitely listening. Definitely, totally listening. Can you be quiet? What's your problem? I don't have any food for you. You guys, I don't even know what you guys, like, consume. Hopefully not people. Actually, I'm not even a person. I'm a robot. I don't really have anything to worry about, I guess. Anyways, now that we have that figured out, like, that scared, the sound effect for that scares the crap out of me. Because I always think, like, oh my gosh, a tree's gonna fall on me. Okay, so this is all the way over here, right? I think I'm gonna do just kind of like basically the same thing over here as we did over there. I think that would be fairly easy to set up. and actually fairly helpful as well. I would think. Biomass, another boom. We'll put like two down. I think two should probably be enough, honestly. Panel. So yeah, I have a bunch of biomass. Should I do like right here, or should I do like right here maybe? That that blocks off some of the ore, right? Like you lose out on pieces. Yeah, you do. I think. I don't know. I'm probably lying. Should ask Yonk. I do it all the time. We'll put it. I think I'll put it like right here. I think that'll be good. Can I mine up any of this? Yeah, I mean it's way simpler than um than Satisfactory, which is both a good and a bad thing. Like the way it's a good thing is obviously you don't have to worry about all the like you have like grid like it's a grid system, and it's you don't have to worry as much about like oh is this gonna fit right here, that sort of thing. You like but it's like at the same time that also kind of removes some of the creativity, which is kind of unfortunate. Not that I had much creativity to begin with, but it's just an observation. Um. Anyways, we need to do some loaders. Building. Boom. Boom. I could actually just do like. Have this be like even more compact, right? Oh wait. Actually, I probably want to. Probably have it come off like that. Right? I think this makes sense. And then another loader right here. There we go. This should, yeah, so now this works. Okay. Now this will automatically, yeah, produce this stuff. And then the other side, you obviously have that producing the other resource. Oh yeah, we'll have that always on. My bad. No power. Lovely. Wait, so without power, you can't even like out. I can't even take out. It's kind of. There's gotta. I can't wait to unlock like automatic power sources because this is kind of annoying. I know you have the same problem in Satisfactory, like you have to kind of like build up to, like coal power plants and things like that, and eventually you get there, and, you know. But just for now, it's like, this is annoying. But science village. Need more technum. Technum, here I come. Oh wait, can I just? Oh, that button. Okay. Research server. Place a research server on the foundation. And I guess I could put it onto like this one over here, probably. Oh yeah, it's in my inventory. I'm dumb. I'm a big dumb. This guy's quite hefty.
To advance in research, you need to make science packs. Craft a few by hand and insert them into the research server to research the beacon blueprint. There is a previously prepared drop pod with an additional robot assistant on the station. We can call it once we've placed the beacon.
Okay, sure. Oh, now this kind of feels like Factorio. Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely need more power. Just make another. Those science packs take a while, but. Oh, I can just. Yeah, I don't have to actually access. Okay, that's really nice, actually.
Got it. We now have the beacon blueprint. Craft it and place it,
Can
but
I?
not too close to your existing machines. Those drop pods tend to land right on top of the beacons.
Can I, like, split the stack? How do I. Shift? Oh. Okay. There we go. Got it, got it. Okay. Craft an emergency beacon. Uh, we have to craft the beacon now? We do. Now we just go over here. Boom. Too far away. Okay. Movement in the game is a bit like, kind of feels like um, like I don't know, like CS:GO maybe, or like some sort of like kind of like Call of Duty type thing. Some sort of like first-person shooter game. That's kind of what it feels like. Press button. Oh.
Great, now you might want to take a step back and look up.
Oh.
A real groundbreaker. This
Oh.
corporate command companion bureaucrat bot, C3BB for short, will help us with the administration of our factory. First, let's help him out of that drop pod by deconstructing and placing it in a safe location.
Okay. Yeah, no, that was...
Welcome to the ground C3BB. We have completed setting up our basic manufacturing infrastructure. What's the situation on the space station?
Um,
It's about to break apart, you say? Spontaneous
you got
explosive
that from
disassembly.
him?
That's extremely troubling. What now? There's a working construction drone bay that we can use to repair the station? Perfect. Let's establish contact and repair the most critical parts. We need to research the space station terminal.
Okay, so you're telling me that somehow you can understand him, you speak English, but I can't understand it. But that doesn't make sense. Why couldn't you just make him also speak English? Like, that would make more sense. Just do it that way. There we go. So basically just keep adding these things. Okay. Got it. Got it. Don't you worry, man. Totally understand. Got this all under control. Definitely know what I'm doing
Now
here.
that we have the blueprint, we need to build the terminal to finally get a connection to the station's command center. Once built, open the control menu and start the emergency repairs upgrade. Luckily, the station has a pretty big stock of construction materials, so we don't have to worry about that for a while.
That's great, I think. Hey, little buddy. Stabilize space station.
I agree. Preventing the space station from falling apart is our highest priority. Let's set up a connection and initiate emergency repairs. I'll guide you through the process.
Oh, oops. You know what? Let's just put it on. Gosh sakes, it does need power. I kind of figured, but I was like, oh, maybe it won't. Clearly, I was wrong. What do you mean, no power? Oh. Yeah, that's what it means by no power. Yeah, that makes sense. Is it just me, or does anyone else feel like they genuinely are in a forest? Whenever they're chopping, like, I'm just cutting down these trees, and it really feels like I'm in an actual, like, forest, and trees are falling around. Like, it feels like Bigfoot is just, like, standing right behind me, just, like, chopping down trees. Um, you guys give me a name in the comments. For now, I'm just gonna Sam space, um, Sam's space station. Sure. Yeah, that works fine. Whoa. Oh, this is sick.
Great. Our construction drones on the space station are working on their first station upgrade. This will take a bit. Let's shift our focus back to the factory. You're right, C3BB. We need to automate research and unlock more technology before we can get serious on manufacturing our first product. If we unlock the assembler, we can use it to automatically craft all the items needed for research. Use belts and loaders to fully automate the process. And don't forget to automatically bring the science packs to the research server.
That's pretty sick. So yeah, so this definitely does feel kind of like Factorio meets Satisfactory, kind of that sort of ordeal. That's at least what I'm kind of getting from this game, at least. Okay, yeah, these guys are pretty full on resources. These guys are probably completely full. Eh, not quite. Okay. I need a better energy supply. You know what? Screw the assembler stuff. I want to... Give me another better energy supply. Burner generator. Okay, whatever. I guess I kind of still have to do this stuff, but... Wonder if there's any, like, sort of wireless transportation in this. Because I must say, that would be really nice. Because, yeah, using something other than biomass would be very helpful. I feel like the sooner I can get, like, energy production going, the better I'm gonna be. Yeah. That. Uh, oh, oops. No, no. Okay. And then we could do... Did I make the assembler? I didn't. Okay. Container. Oh, I need other resources for this now, too? Oh, wow, this assembler is, pretty big. I should make this place a little bit more compact while I'm at it as well. I should move these guys closer. You know what? I'm gonna do that. So we could do like this, right? And then we just go along like this. And then have all these guys. And then we have loaders coming off of... That doesn't work. So then we have loaders coming off of here. So then we have like smelter there. Smelter here, up here. Okay. Then get rid of all this. Then we save a little bit of room, you know. And again, we go out, output, output, output on all of these. So then we have a bit more room for like the assembler, you know. And I want to move this thing as well eventually. I want to put this somewhere else. If I get rid of this, does it like keep the research? I assume it will, right? I hope so. Because it's destroyed now. But like, yeah, or do I want to maybe have the assembler here instead? Maybe. I didn't mean to remove the whole floor. Definitely not quite what I meant to do. That's also not what I meant to do. Where did I... Oh. I did it again. Okay. So then we'd have, yeah, this come up like this. And we'd have it go into like... Oh, wait. That's not gonna work. Not right now, at least. Oh, wait, no, I can just do... Yeah, like that. Then have it come along like that. And then we have the loader here. Then I need to like expand this out a little bit, but that's not a big deal. We'd have, yeah, the loader or the assembler right here. And then we'll have this be set to... So that needs machinery parts. Which needs these things. So that needs the plates. So that'll produce that part of the whole thing, right? You know? I might just put the research stuff kind of like around here. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'll just have like a... You know, I could just like connect the whole thing using like the flooring and stuff, but I don't know if I want to do that yet. Because at the same time, the flooring is a little, yeah. You know what? We'll connect this part at least. So yeah, we could do like, kind of like within this area we'll have it. I think that would be good. Or maybe like... maybe just this. I think we'll just do this. Like, this will kind of just lead up to it, you know? I rarely ever do, like, base building or anything like that. So that's kind of why I'm, like, trying to make this look kind of nice. Because, yeah, I really don't normally make nice looking bases. So if I just do that, does that connect right there? Will that work? Like if I put that down? No power. It's also just not facing the right way either. But yeah, we'll have like that. Like if I connect that, does that... No. Because why would it? How do I make it connect? Like I don't understand. How do I get this to connect? Conveyor? Like would a conveyor like slope thing work? I don't... Like does that... Or, like, is it too far away, maybe? Like, is that the problem? Or maybe the whole system is just not working and I'm just an idiot? Like, that's also a possibility. Okay. Right? Oh no, it does just take the whole thing. Now will this work? No. Okay, but if you do it like that, then it does connect. Okay, that's very good to know. Very good to know. Okay, yeah. Get the assembler built, and then I think I'm gonna call it, well, I'm gonna get the science stuff sort of automated, not like fully automated, because obviously I'd have to connect up stuff from over that way if I wanted to fully automate it, but just for the sake of like now, I'm just gonna do it this way. So this needs the machine parts, right? And that's making the machine parts. And then it needs the technum rods, which would obviously require the... Oh, yeah. There we go. Now it's going. Okay. So now, for now, I can just put in the rods and it'll auto craft. And then we'll put a container down. Or should I really do a container? Like, I feel like... You know, maybe I should just, like fully... Actually, just move this down. Now that I think about it. Because if I'm going to be having this, like, automatically... You know, do its thing. Like auto producing the stuff, the research stuff. Then I figure might as well have it like automatically go into the research thing, right? I feel like that makes the most sense. There we go. So yeah, that'll automatically do that thing. And then, so yeah, we have to do that first. So that'll research that. Eventually, we're definitely going to want to have multiple of these, which I'm kind of thinking about doing now, but I don't know if it definitely doesn't produce the stuff fast enough. And I don't know if that, you know what, we'll manually do it. I think I will have like this research thing here for like automatically feeding into it. Then I'm going to put down another one right here, right next to this guy, and this will be for like manual, like inserting that stuff. Because obviously I craft it way faster than this thing produces. So. Plus, it would just go by faster if you have two of the science things going, rather than just having one. So. Okay, this doesn't have any power. Oh wait, this is...
Ignium
I just
ore
have one
scanning.
thing, that's right.
That'll come in handy. Ignium is an ore that is highly flammable and can be used for automated power generation. Research the burner generator to utilize it. Ignium is buried beneath the ground. Use the scanner and your drill to find it.
So you need 20. Let's just get like a ton of these going. And then we'll... There we go. But yeah, okay. So I think I'll get automatic next video that I do on this game. That's when I'll set up like the automatic, like, you know, energy production, that sort of thing. But I think for now I'm gonna call it quits. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. Mean the world to me. Doesn't cost you guys anything. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. You all take care.